Welcome back to Baba's Corner. It's been a long time since we last saw you, and today we are here with another recipe, a simple one. Today we are coming to learn how to make simple pancakes, simple homemade pancakes. So here are my ingredients, and I'll be introducing them to you one by one. The first thing here is my pastry flour. I'm going to use 1 cup of flour for this recipe. Then I have here my sugar, my custard sugar, just 2 tablespoons of it. Then I have butter, I have honey, I have my flavor. I also have my egg, just 1 egg. Then I have milk. Now I don't have organic milk. I don't have organic full cream milk, so I'm using evaporated milk for this recipe. But if you have it, you can use it. And I have here, the last thing is my salt. So my salt, just a tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of it. So 1 teaspoon of salt. So these are my ingredients, and without wasting much time, let's dig into it and start preparing the pancakes. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is to take our egg and put it in a small bowl. Then you take your milk. I'm going to be using just half of this. So yeah, I think that's half. Then I'll take 1 teaspoon of my flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice, but be careful not to use it too much. So just a teaspoon. Now we're going to whisk this thing together. My whisk is very big, so I'm using just a fork for this process. So you have to do this very gently. So as you can see, everything is coming together nicely. Very good. Now we'll put this aside and we'll move on to the flour and sugar. The first thing you have to do is to make sure you sift your flour. You sift your flour so that it is as smooth as possible. So we are going to sift our flour, then add the sugar to it and mix it. So here is my sifted flour. As you can see, I've sifted it very nicely. So now I'm going to add the sugar to it. Then I'll add my salt. I don't know if you can see it properly, but yeah, this is my salt, so I'll add it. And then I'm going to mix everything together. So I'm going to create some kind of space in the middle for us to pour the egg mixture in there. So I'm going to be mixing this together. You don't have to worry if you have. So here is my batter, nicely done. Actually, I skipped something. I didn't show you where I pour water into my batter, so I actually added water to this mix to make it what it is now. So yeah. With the water, I measured just almost full of this container and I poured it into it. So you should be mindful, your butter shouldn't be too light and it shouldn't be too thick too. So Here is my butter. Everything we need for the butter is now inside, and now the next step is to fry it. So as you can see, you might find a few lumps in your butter, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you find a few lumps in it. It's normal. So let's go and fry our pancakes. Okay, so now my frying pan, my cute little frying pan, is on fire, and you have to preheat it because it's very important that your pancakes have an even heat, or else the first one won't come out nicely. So instead of oil, I'm going to be using butter. Butter gives it a nice flavor, so I'm going to be using butter. So that's our butter in there. Our butter has melted. You can see the nice yellow color there.
Good.
So I'll go ahead now and scoop my butter. Then here it goes. So our pancake is on fire, and we'll wait for it to cook. Now it doesn't take long for it to be cooked, so you have to be there. You have to observe it very carefully so that it doesn't get burnt. So we are coming to turn our pancake. So actually, I didn't turn my pancake well, but it came out exactly the way I wanted it to. As you can see, my pancake is not burnt. So, well, it's good. All's good here. You can make pancakes for your kids or for yourself. Pancakes are not only for children. Adults eat it too. So everyone can eat pancakes, and you can eat it as breakfast or dessert anytime you like it. Just make it at home. This recipe is pretty simple, right? Yeah, it's simple. It's simple and easy to understand. So yeah, we're going to do pretty much the same thing to the rest of the batter. Then we see what next. So we are done, and we're now ready to eat the pancakes. The last thing we are going to do is take our honey and just pour it on it. You see, I didn't use too much sugar, so our honey is going to serve as look at that. Wouldn't you like to eat this? Now I'm going to taste it first. Since you're not here, I'm going to go ahead and have a piece of this. This actually tastes nice. Very nice. It's very tasty. And I'm not going to give you some because you're going to be preparing yours at home, and you eat it and enjoy this heavenly goodness. So this is our final work, and until next time, please remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video. because there are more videos coming in and you don't want to miss any of them. I mean that you don't want to be missing any of the videos I post here. So until next time, ciao.